Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to customize Redmi 13c display like an iPhone. Okay, to change the appearance of your device to be like an iPhone, and then you can use additional application. Well, here you can open your Play Store or App Store, and then please download the launcher iOS 17 application. Okay, after you have successfully installed the application, and then here you just tap once and wait the loading process. Okay, and then here please select the language, and then click save, and then click continue, and then click start. Okay, and then after preparing process is success, and then your device display is already like an iPhone. And then here you can click set as default, and then select launcher iOS 17. Well, and then here you can change the wallpaper on your device. Just open the app like this. Again, then please select wallpaper, and then click allow if you want to give it access to your storage. And then click add new wallpaper. And then here you can choose any wallpaper suitable for you. And then please click add at the top right corner. Click set wallpaper. And then the wallpaper is successfully changed. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to customize Redmi 13c display like an iPhone. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.